Do you know what the inside layout of this tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken for this house is width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and a sofa arrangement also, and TV unit on the front wall, and we have 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also a study table with chair and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. If we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also a study table with chair and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.